There's these biological systems that keep us fit, keep us healthy. And if we're not careful to take good care of them, they too will wane in their power to defend us. And that's actually how we wind up getting sick.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, who has significantly contributed to medical science. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. Recently, he published a new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer.
When you and I were growing up, right, in grade school, we learned from our teachers that starfish can regenerate, salamanders can regenerate, but people can't regenerate, right?
You can't grow a new arm.
Yeah, well, it's true. You can't grow a new arm, but we do regenerate. We regenerate every day.
In today's video, with the help of Dr. Li, we will unveil 5 breakfasts that regenerate stem cells and help you live longer. As we age, our bodies undergo profound changes, demanding greater attention to our dietary choices to combat the effects of aging. Discover the power of these breakfast options in rejuvenating stem cells, boosting energy levels, and fortifying against age-related ailments. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Greek Yogurt Parfait is an amazing breakfast meal for anyone interested in living healthier and longer. Beyond its great taste and flavor, it comes rich in protein and full of antioxidants that go a long way in renewing the body. But how does this meal translate into a healthy and longer life for you? What makes it promote cellular regeneration and overall well-being? To start with, the thick and creamy base of the parfait, Greek yogurt, comes packed with beneficial proteins for you. This protein, usually whey, contains the essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein in the body. These amino acids play a very important role in muscle repair and maintenance, which is vital for healthy aging. Studies have also shown that ingesting enough protein can help prevent age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, which can lead to frailty, and a decline in overall health. Plain Greek yogurt contains probiotics, a live bacteria that contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of bacteria that influences digestion, immunity, and even mood. Researchers have also shown a strong link between a balanced gut microbiome and healthy aging. Probiotics in Greek yogurt can help maintain this balance, thus ensuring a healthier way of life. Then, there's the generous helping of berries usually packed on your parfait. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants, nature's defense system against harmful free radicals. Free radicals are known to damage cells and contribute to the aging process. The antioxidants in strawberries, like anthocyanins and vitamins C and E, combat these free radicals, ensuring that your cells are protected and you live healthier.
Well, strawberries has something called ellagic acid. In fact, ellagic acid is what's make a nice strawberry tart. So strawberries are sweet, they're a little tart, and the tartness comes from ellagic acid. Well, ellagic acid is made by strawberries. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It's actually good for your metabolism, burns down harmful body fat, is antioxidant, protects your DNA, lowers inflammation, as well as vitamin C in the same strawberry, and activates your stem cells. So what's not to like about strawberries?
Some berries, like blueberries, are particularly well known for their brain-boosting properties. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve cognitive function and memory, which can decline with age. So, beyond cell regeneration and healthier living, you can also keep your mind sharp as you grow old with this meal.
Let me tell you how powerful nuts are. There was a study of almost 800 people with colon cancer, stage 3 colon cancer. That's colon cancer that's spread in your body. Okay, it's really serious. And they were getting treated by their oncologist. And the research study found that those people with stage 3 colon cancer who ate 2 fistfuls of nuts a week, 7 days, okay, had a 57% reduction in mortality.
You can also add granola to your parfait to give it that crunchy feeling. Granola is typically a mix of rolled oats, nuts, and seeds. Oats are a great source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer and promotes gut health, both of which can be beneficial for maintaining a healthy weight as you age. Then, the nuts and seeds in granola are packed full of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients play a vital role in the different functions your body carries out. For example, almonds are a good source of vitamin E, another antioxidant that can help with cellular regeneration. Number 2, spiced apple and carrot muffins. Another meal that satisfies your taste buds while doing your body a world of good is spiced apple and carrot muffins. It is more than just a satisfying meal, as it contains several ingredients that have been linked to cellular regeneration and healthy living. So, what are these ingredients and how do they work?
We actually were made from stem cells in the womb. The leftovers are just packed into our bone marrow and a few other places. When there's a signal that your organ needs to be repaired, basically the damaged area sends a text message to your bone marrow and says, hey, I need a few stem cells, come on. And what happens is that message will send out the stem cells into your bloodstream, angiogenesis, like bees coming out of a hive. And those bees they make a beeline literally right for that organ and repair it, replace it. It's pretty amazing. A lot of people don't know this, but if you had your liver, some of our organs really regenerate. If you had a liver problem and I removed 2/3 of your liver, most of it, the rest of it, a third will grow right back, the rest of it right back. If I clipped off the top of your lung, it would just regenerate, grow right back. And people go, whoa, I didn't know that. But guess what? Our hair grows back, our skin grows back. You got a little dandruff on, it's because their skin's falling off, the old stuff being replaced by stem cells.
A very basic fact of science is that the human body is constantly renewing itself at a cellular level. This cellular regeneration is carried out by stem cells that are found in small amounts throughout the body. These stem cells have the remarkable ability to transform into specialized cells, repairing tissues and organs. While aging can decrease stem cell activity, scientists have shown that certain food ingredients can help fix this. One of these is cinnamon. Studies have shown that cinnamon extracts can stimulate stem cell growth and differentiation in certain cell types. This is good news, as it means cinnamon can be very helpful in cellular regeneration.
Hey, Dr. Will Lee here. I'm in the produce section again, and I'm in front of a whole bunch of apples and pears. Look, I love apples. You've heard of the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, this apple actually gets this doctor right here to actually pick some up because I love their crispy, sweet taste. Now, what's in an apple that's good for you? Chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid lights up your metabolism by burning down harmful body fat. In the skin of an apple, by the way, is something called ellagic acid. And you got to wash it really well anyway. But if you want one that doesn't have pesticides, get an organic apple, which will have more ellagic acid in the skin. Guess what that does? That protects your stem cells and lights up your metabolism. One more apple fact. Apples are one of the highest sources of a natural bioactive called procyanidins. Procyanidins light up your brown fat to burn down harmful fat. Again, good for your metabolism 3 ways, and also helps protect your stem cells to help regenerate your body from the inside out. What's not to like about this? Go for an apple a day.
Another ingredient in this fantastic spiced apple and carrot muffins meal is apple, which is a rich source of quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, with research showing that it has the potential to protect stem cells from damage caused by free radicals. Then there are carrots. These contain beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A has been shown to be crucial for maintaining healthy tissues and immune function. Studies have also shown that vitamin A can play a role in stem cell self-renewal, which is the ability of stem cells to replicate themselves. But, apart from all these, there are other ingredients that contribute to helping your body age slower. For example, eggs are a vital source of protein, which is necessary for building and repairing tissues. Whole wheat flour provides fiber, which promotes gut health, and a healthy gut has been linked to a healthy immune system, which in turn can affect the quality of your life. To create these spiced apple and carrot muffins, gather the following ingredients: 1 large carrot and 1 apple, both grated, 2 eggs, 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of maple syrup for natural sweetness, a teaspoon each of ground ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg for warming spices, a cup of almond flour and half a cup of brown rice flour for the base, 1 teaspoon of baking powder for lift, and a pinch of kosher salt to enhance all the flavors. Start by preheating your oven and lining a muffin tray with paper cups. In a large bowl, combine the dry ingredients: flours, baking powder, spices, and salt. In another bowl, mix the wet ingredients: eggs, coconut milk, and maple syrup, before folding in the grated carrot and apple. Combine both mixtures until just blended, Then spoon the batter into the muffin cups. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Enjoy warm for a cozy, nutritious treat. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you would like to see more videos featuring recipes, let us know in the comments below. Number 3. Kiwi Dragon Fruit Smoothie. The Kiwi Dragon Fruit Smoothie is an exceptional choice for anyone aiming to enhance their health and extend their lifespan. Not only is it delicious and refreshing, but it's also packed with vital nutrients and antioxidants that are crucial for rejuvenating the body. But what impact does this smoothie have on your health and longevity? How does it foster cellular regeneration and improve overall well-being?
Kiwi is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and it's been shown that eating just one kiwi a day can actually cause your blood to be fortified to neutralize about 60% of the incoming damage.
Kiwis are not only known for their tangy sweet flavor, but are also densely packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is crucial for the maintenance of skin integrity and immune function, and it serves as a potent antioxidant to reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is vital for protecting stem cells from damage. Moreover, research highlights that the fibers in kiwis can promote the proliferation of gut microbiota, enhancing digestive health and potentially supporting stem cell functionality in the gut lining. Dragon fruit stands out in this smoothie with its vibrant color and unique nutrient profile. It is rich in vitamin C, several B vitamins, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Studies suggest that dragon fruit's antioxidant properties can significantly decrease the markers of oxidative stress, which is beneficial for maintaining the integrity and function of stem cells. The inclusion of banana adds not only a creamy texture, but also substantial benefits through its high potassium and fiber content. Potassium is essential for proper cellular function and hydration, while fiber supports digestive health, a crucial aspect of overall well-being and effective nutrient absorption. Coconut water, a tropical hydration booster, plays its role by supplying electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and sodium. These electrolytes are vital for maintaining fluid balance in the body, essential for cellular health and the efficient function of stem cells. Optional spinach adds a green boost laden with iron, folate, and vitamin K, all known to support blood health and cell regeneration. Spinach is particularly noted for its high amounts of antioxidants and its role in promoting the health of epithelial tissues, including those in the digestive tract, where stem cells are prolific. To whip up this nutrient-packed smoothie, you'll need 2 ripe kiwis and 1 large dragon fruit, both peeled and either sliced or cubed, along with 1 banana for added sweetness and creaminess. Pour 1 cup of coconut water into the mix to enhance hydration and give a tropical twist. Optionally, toss in a handful of fresh spinach leaves for an extra boost of greens. If you prefer your smoothie chilled, add a few ice cubes. Start by preparing the fruits, then combine all the ingredients in a blender. Blend on high until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If the smoothie is too thick, adjust the consistency by adding a little more coconut water. Taste and adjust the sweetness by adding more banana if necessary. Serve the smoothie immediately to enjoy its fresh flavor and maximum nutrient benefits. Number 4. Berry Walnut Breakfast Cookies. At the core of this recipe are rolled oats and mashed banana, providing a sustained release of energy throughout the morning due to their high fiber and complex carbohydrate content. The fiber in oats is particularly notable for its beta-glucan content, which has been studied for its role in blood sugar regulation and cardiovascular health.
Walnuts. Walnuts are some of my favorite. Walnuts have actually been shown to improve your immune system by feeding your gut microbiome. And when that actually happens, it actually makes your body respond better to medicines. Specifically, the study was done in patients with colon cancer, stage 3 colon cancer, getting regular cancer treatment, including nuts in their diet, actually lowered their mortality by more than 50%.
Walnuts and seeds such as chia and flaxseed are incorporated for more than just their crunch. They're a significant source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health and reducing inflammation. Omega-3s are also linked to improved neurological functions and supporting brain health, which may contribute to better cognitive functions as we age.
Their beautiful blue color comes from a natural dye called anthocyanin. That's an antioxidant that protects your DNA, helps build your immune system, and also improves your metabolism as well.
Berries, whether blueberries or raspberries, add not just bursts of flavor, but also powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin. These compounds are known for their ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can compromise cellular health and accelerate aging. The inclusion of cinnamon not only enhances flavor, but also adds health benefits as an anti-inflammatory spice known to aid in blood sugar control, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels and preventing insulin spikes. To make berry walnut breakfast cookies, gather the following ingredients: 1½ cups of rolled oats, 1 ripe mashed banana, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen berries like blueberries or raspberries, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 2 tablespoons each of chia seeds and ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine the oats, walnuts, chia seeds, flaxseed, cinnamon, and salt. Add the mashed banana, applesauce, and vanilla extract, mixing until all ingredients are well incorporated. Gently fold in the berries to avoid crushing them. Spoon the mixture onto the prepared baking sheet, flattening each scoop slightly to form the cookies. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes until the cookies are golden and firm. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy these wholesome cookies as a nutritious start to your day or as a healthy snack. Number 5. Smoked salmon and mango salad with cinnamon roasted nuts. The smoked salmon and mango salad with cinnamon roasted nuts is a vibrant breakfast option for those interested in nurturing their health and enhancing longevity. This recipe not only pleases the palate with its rich flavors, but also boasts a lineup of ingredients known for their significant health benefits, especially in the realm of cellular regeneration.
I know that seafood is one of those foods that are actually good for your health, lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease, and has healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Starting with the salmon, a superb source of omega-3 fatty acids, it's fundamental for brain health and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Omega-3 acids are critical in maintaining the fluidity of cell membranes, which is essential for cell division and the health of stem cells. Studies have linked the intake of omega-3 rich foods like salmon to improved cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Mangoes, apart from adding a sweet, tropical flavor, are loaded with vitamins A and C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from free radical damage and supports immune function, which in turn can aid the regeneration of healthy stem cells. Additionally, mangoes contain compounds that may enhance skin health and even possess anti-cancer properties.
Let me tell you how powerful nuts are. There was a study of almost 800 people with colon cancer, stage 3 colon cancer. That's colon cancer that's spread in your body. Okay, it's really serious. And they were getting treated by their oncologist. And the research study found that those people with stage 3 colon cancer who ate 2 fistfuls of nuts a week, 7 days, okay, had a 57% reduction in mortality.
The inclusion of nuts, particularly almonds and macadamias, coated with cinnamon, not only adds a delightful crunch and flavor, but also supplies additional antioxidants, manganese, and healthy fats. These nutrients contribute to heart health and can help stabilize blood sugar levels, thereby offering sustained energy throughout the day. To prepare this nourishing salad, begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F. Mix the almonds and macadamia nuts with cinnamon and a pinch of salt, then roast them until golden and fragrant. For the salad, mix thinly sliced salmon, cubed mango, diced red black skin tomatoes, and sliced apple in a bowl. Create a dressing from olive oil, lemon juice, finely chopped fresh rosemary, salt, and pepper, and whisk these together before drizzling over the salmon and fruit mixture. Finally, toss everything gently to coat and serve the salad sprinkled with the roasted nuts. Now, if you want to learn more about drinks that can provide life-changing nutritional benefits, watch my next video, where I'll go over 5 smoothies that kill cancer and burn fat.